Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, clock, compass, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, tachometer, satellite radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.